Hello, you are welcome. Today we have to solve the most interesting maths question, that is square root of 39 plus square root of 3 over square root of 12 to the whole power of 7. We have to simplify this interesting question without using a calculator. So solution: the question is square root of 39 plus square root of 3 over square root of 12 to the whole power of 7. We have to simplify this interesting question. So in the next step here, we know that this 39 can also be in the form of 13 times 3. So here square root of 13 times 3 plus square root of 3 over, and this 12 is in the form of 4 times 3, and this to the whole power of 7. Now in the next step here, we can write this as a square root of 13 times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 over square root of 4 times square root of 3, and the whole power of 7. Now in the next step here, we know that here square root of 3 common, so we have to take square root of 3 common. So here square root of 3 taking common, here square root of 13 left plus 1 over, here square root of 4 is equal to 2, and times square root of 3 to the whole power of 7. Now this square root of 3 cancel with this square root of 3. So here square root of 13 plus 1 left, square root of 13 plus 1 over, here 2 left, and to the whole power of 7. Now let's suppose this square root of 13 plus 1 divided by 2, this is equal to x. So let this is equal to x, so x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. So let this is equal to x. Now also we know that we have to find x to the power of 7. We have to find the x to the power of 7. So this is our equation number 1. Now in the next step here, from equation number 1, that is x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. Now we have to multiply 2 at both sides. So this side multiply by 2 and also this side multiply by 2. Here this 2 cancel with this 2. So 2 times x is equal to 2x. So 2 times x is equal to x is equal to, and here square root of 13 plus 1. Now we have to move this 1 to the left side, so this will become minus 1. So this will become 2x minus 1 is equal to square root of 13. Now we have to square both of the sides. So this side becomes square and also this side become square. Now here in the next step, to solve this, this is in the form of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. So we have to use this identity here for this. So this will become a square means 2x square, 2x square plus b is equal to 1. So here 1 square minus 2 times ab. So a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. So here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1, which is equal to, here this 2 cancel with this square root, so here 13 left, which is equal to 13. Now here in the next step, 2x square is equal to 4x square plus 1 square is equal to 1 minus 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So 4x, which is equal to 13. Now in the next step here, we have to move this 1 and 4x to the right side. So this will become 4x square is equal to 13. Here this will become minus 1 plus 4x. This minus 4x will become plus 4x. Now here in the next step, 4x square is equal to 13 minus 1 is equal to 12 plus 4x. 4x square is equal to 4x plus 12. Now we have to divide both sides by 4. So here 4x square is equal to 4 into x plus 3. Now this side divided by 4 and this side divided by 4. Here this 4 cancel with this 4 and this 4 cancel with this 4. So here x square is equal to x plus 3. So this is equation number 2, that is x square is equal to x plus 3. Now we know that we have to find the value of x to the power of 7. We have to find the value of x to the power of 7. So again further we have to square this, so this will become x square is equal to x plus 3. We have to take square at both sides until we have to 10x to the power of 7. So here this will become square and this side become square. So here x to the power of 4 is equal to, here this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times a b. So we have to use this identity here. This will become x square plus 3 square plus 2 times x times 3. Now here x to the power of 4 is equal to x square plus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 6x. Now here we know that x square is equal to x plus 3. So we have to put x plus 3 in place of x square. So this will become x to the power of 4 is equal to x plus 3 plus 9 plus 6x. Now here x to the power of 4 is equal to 3 plus 9. This is equal to 12. This is equal to 12. And 6x plus x, this is equal to 7x. So 7x plus 12. X to the power of 4 is equal to 7x plus 12. Now we know that we have to find the value of x to the power of 7. We have to find the value of x to the power of 7. So we have to square this again. So we have to square this. X to the power of 4 is equal to 7x plus 12. So taking square at both sides, this side becomes square and this side also become square. So here this will become x to the power of 8 is equal to, again here we have to use a plus b whole square identity. So this will become 7x whole square plus 12 square plus 2 times 7x times 12. Now here x to the power of 8 is equal to 7x square, this become 49x square plus 12 square is equal to 144 plus 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 14 times 12, this is equal to 168. So this will become 168x. Now in the next step here, again we know that we have to substitute x square by the x square by x plus 3. So here we have to substitute this x square by x plus 3. So here x to the power of 8 is equal to 49 times x plus 3 plus 144 plus 168x. X to the power of 8 is equal to 49 times x, this will become 49x plus 49 times 3, this will become 3 times 9 is equal to 27. Look here, 3 times 4 is equal to 12, 16, 17. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. 3 times 4 is equal to 12, 13, 14. So 147 plus 144 plus 168x. So here 49x plus 168x, this is equal to x to the power of 8 is equal to 49x plus 168x, this is equal to 217x plus 147 plus 144, this is equal to 291. Now we know that here we have to find x to the power of 7. So this is x to the power of 8, that's why we have to divide this by x. So we have to divide both sides by x, so that we have to obtain the x to the power of 7. So here x to the power of 8 is equal to 217x plus 291. We have to divide both sides by x. So this side divided by x and this side divided by x. So here x cancel with this will become x to the power of 7. So here x to the power of 7 left, which is equal to 217x plus this. So we have to separate the fraction like 217x over x plus 291 over x. So here this x cancel with this x. So here x to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus 291 times 1 over x. Now recall that here we know that x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. X is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. So here we know that, remember, x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. X is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. And here we know that we have to find 1 over x. So we have to find 1 over x. So here 1 over x is equal to the reciprocal of this, that is 2 over square root of 13 plus 1. So we have to replace 1 over x by 2 over square root of 13 plus 1. So here x to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus 291 times 2 over square root of 13 plus 1. X to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus 291 times 2 over square root of 13 plus 1. Now we have to multiply numerator as well as denominator with square root of 3 minus 1. So here multiply denominator as well as numerator with square root of 13 minus 1, and also here square root of 13 minus 1. X to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus 291 times 2 times square root of 13 minus 1 over, here we know that this is in the form of a square minus b square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here this is a plus b and a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So here a is equal to square root of 13 and b is equal to 1. So here this will become square root of 13 square minus 1 square. X to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus 291 times 2 times square root of 13 minus 1 over this 2 cancel square root, so this will become 13 minus 1. X to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus 291 times 2 into square root of 13 minus 1 over 12. Now we have to simplify this. 2 times 6 is equal to 12, and we have to simplify with 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and 97 times 3 is equal to 291. X to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus here 97 times square root of 13 minus 1 over 2. Now here in the next step, here we know that here the denominator is 1. So here x to the power of 7 is equal to, here 2 taking LCM, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2 times this will become 434 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 time this number, this will become 97 times square root of 13 minus 1. X to the power of 7 is equal to 434 plus 97 times square root of 13, this will become 97 times square root of 13, 97 times minus 1, this will become minus 97 over 2. Now here x to the power of 7 is equal to 434 minus 97, this will become equal to 337 plus 97 times square root of 13 over 2. So this is the final answer of this interesting question, that is x to the power of 7 is equal to 337 plus 97 times square root of 13 over 2. This is the final simplified form of the question. So the final answer of this question is 337 plus 97 times the square root of 13 over 2. This is the final answer and simplified form of this interesting question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more lectures. Thank you. Bye bye.